After temperatures near 80 yesterday, prepare to turn your heat on. Ella Dorsey's here, tracking that for you. Hey, Ella.
Hey, yeah, listen, it's going to be a beautiful week, but it is going to be a lot colder than the last several weeks. Tuesday is a first alert weather day. This is why we first alert, to let you know of big changes, and the change is going to be much cooler air that will settle in by tomorrow. Wind is picking up. It's coming out of the north. That's ushering in that cooler air. It's still quite mild outside. We're sitting at 66 degrees. It was actually a much warmer morning than yesterday morning, but it's 66 now. We top out at 73 this afternoon, so temperatures only climb by 4 or 5 degrees today. Lots of sunshine. It's still going to feel really incredible outside, but it will be about 10 degrees cooler than it was yesterday. And you'll notice that breeze really starts to pick up around the time you eat lunch. That breeze carries on through the afternoon. That's the leading edge of cool air, which really settles in tonight. Here's your morning lows tomorrow. Low 40s, north side of the city. 44 in Roswell, 44 in Sewanee, 43 in Cumming. Rome will be sitting at 42 tomorrow. Austell, 43, even south of the city, down in Stockbridge, 46 degrees. So you will need the jacket tomorrow. And guess what? By Wednesday, you will need the winter coat. That cool air continues to settle in through the day tomorrow. By Wednesday, we're looking at the coldest temperatures we've felt since April, okay? Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday mornings, most of Metro will be in the 30s and low 40s. So whereas you need the jacket tomorrow, the kiddos will need the winter coat as they head to the bus stop Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So just be aware of that. It is going to be quite cool in the mornings through the week, but it will be beautiful and sunny in the afternoons. Taking a look at the tropics, I know this is not what we want to hear. There is a wave starting to form in the middle of the Atlantic. It's headed towards the Caribbean. National Hurricane Center thinks there's about a 50% chance that a tropical storm could form somewhere near the Windward Islands, perhaps Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic, by this weekend. I've looked at the long-range models. It does not look like this system will have a major impact on the United States, but it's something that we'll be watching closely. And I want to remind you guys, we're in the middle of October. This is when we start to see the activity in the Atlantic really start to dwindle because the sea surface temperatures are cooling off rapidly. But hurricane season does not end until the end of November, so we still have a few weeks of hurricane season. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, that first alert weather day tomorrow is for the big cool off into the 60s. Morning lows in the 30s and 40s, afternoon highs in the 60s through the end of the week. So it will be a lot cooler, but it will be beautiful every afternoon. We'll be back into the 70s by this weekend.